Hi, I'm Samuel Kemp, and I'm a member of Renuity's Management Development team. When I learned about how Renuity values growth and the trajectory this company is on, I just had to be a part of it. That commitment to expanding and building is something I needed to keep me engaged. I love new adventures, I love challenges even more. I was comfortable at my last role, but comfort doesn't cut it. The opportunities here are limitless. The team, the people I've met and worked with, they're special. The Management Development program gives me a chance to be in the field, to wear multiple hats, to get my hands dirty, and to learn fast. It also helps to have someone alongside you, helping you to define your professional goals, helping you write the roadmap of how you'll get there, the one-on-one time, the tailor-made programming, the chance to be a part of something new and innovative. But most of all, I'm excited for the chance to learn this business from the top down. This company is growing fast. Opportunities like this don't come around very often, and I can't wait to join you all for the ride.